Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put music on CapCut PC. We'll start by opening the CapCut application and open an already created project or a new one. Once inside, we can add the music. We can import a file of ours or use the existing library as in this case. To do this, we can click on the audio category. Here we are going to start by seeing the list of music proposed by the application. We can use the search engine to find a song. From this section, we will also be able to add sound effects, extract audio from a video, or connect to TikTok to select music from there. In this case, we will enter the music section and look for a song by category. Once we have chosen the music, we will drag it to the editing line. We can adjust the audio track as we need. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, once you finish, you can export your video. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.